Hi, hello everyone. How's going everything? In this video, I'm gonna talk about two things. Number one is one of the Google SERP updates, and the second thing is very secret, and that's very interesting. And so keep watching. I'm gonna tell you all of this thing. So let's start. In my previous video, I talked about the Google SERP updates called uh, Google Notes. You can add your notes in SERP, and now Google's are basically indexing all of the users' notes in Google. And so how you can see this, I'll leave a link in the description of the search terms. You can search it, site colon https colon slash slash content ucp dot user intent dot google, not google, g slash. So and you will see this kind of result. And actually, if you are click on this link, you'll go here and see Ruchi. I don't know who is the user. Ruchi Botch Pie or something like that. He's created this notes from Koi Moi. Sorry guys for this noise, but I think you can understand the situation. Okay, so Shah Rukh Khan movies from Rawan. He created notes, and if we are click on this profile, Ruchi, uh, we are we can see this all of these notes that created by Ruchi, and I don't know why I'm not seeing this. You can actually put your social links like YouTube's or Twitter or other social sites in here, but I'm not seeing it right now. But let me know in the comment if you are seeing something like that. So here's the benefit: you can actually create note and you know uh, build a parasite SEO strategy. Like what is parasite SEO? If you are creating notes like this, and if you if someone uh, see your notes and read your notes, you can actually put a what is called affiliate links, and you can. I think we can generate some affiliate commission. So that's it. Here is another notes that created someone who is lovely, and he noticed that I just love this app and it helps me with my studies, right? So this kind of notes actually increase the visibility of of this content on search engine, right? It's a good signal for what is called uh, it's a good signal for your site, right? So you can create it, this kind of notes, and you can actually see that how people are seeing your content, and you can actually read your content notes that are people are making to read this, and you can adjust your content, improve, and that's it. So another update is I posted this uh, on ChatGPT community. You guys can join here. I'm sharing all of my uh, you know all of this thing that I know in this group, so you can join here. So I'm not gonna read all of these things, but the moral of the story is here's a conversation that I found on Twitter of ChatGPT. So his name is Gagan, and he did a well experiment basically. What he did actually, he asked, you know, he asked ChatGPT that you can see the prompt here. Out all of this user, no, first of all, he actually uh, put all of the Reddit comment conversation from the Reddit and ask out all of these users and what they are saying, which one of them is most likely on actually own the MacBook and have used in the real life, right? So, and what ChatGPT did is just amazing. ChatGPT can understand, can identify that who is telling, who is won the real MacBook, right? You can read all of these things. I'm not gonna. uh, read all of this thing, but I'm not gonna make the video very long. So that's it. And I will make a prompt, and I'm gonna share with you guys. That is how we can write content that actually shows our expertise and real experience. Because if you have real experience, but your content, I mean, your content doesn't show that you have the real experience and expertise, you never rank. And so I think it will be helpful for everyone. So, and let me know in the comment, what do you think. I'll leave a link all of these things in the descriptions, so you can read this. And yeah, and why you guys are not subscribed this channel, I don't know. I'll subscribe please for getting more updates like this. And yeah, bye bye, see you in the next video.